I have never done a live video, and it was not my intention to do a live video because I'm not really a Facebook type of person like that. I just like to comment. But anyways, my reason for doing this live video today is because of Western Union. Since Monday, I have been trying to send money via Western Union. I've been using Western Union for 10 years. I've been here approximately 10 years, and I've always used Western Union. Used to use MoneyGram earlier on when I came here because it was a little bit cheaper. It was like $7.99 to send money, and Western Union is always $10. So I've used Western Union. I've always used Western Union. Anyways, since Monday, I have been trying to use Western Union. First of all, I've been here 10 years. I have never, ever done anything illegal. I've always worked 2 jobs. I've worked 2 jobs. Even when I was in college, I worked 2 jobs. And everything. I've always been working. No, I still work 2 jobs. I own my own business, and I still have my regular 9 to 5. So where my money is coming from is not an option. It's not even a question where my money is coming from, because I work very hard for my money. I don't know about anybody else. I've never been involved in any illicit trade. I have never participated in any illicit transaction. I have always maintained myself within the realms of the law. No. I've been taking care of my mother since 2014 when she had a stroke. I have taken care of my other family members. I've always used Western Union. No, since Monday, I tried to send this woman her money. I have tried to send my mother this money since Monday morning. No, they call me back. They say, oh, when they try to pick up, my family member tried to pick up the money. My sister tried to pick up the money. They tell me, oh, they can't pick up the money. I call Western Union since Monday. They tell me they'll call me back. I've been on the phone with them since Monday. Finally, they said to me, for some reason, they cannot figure out where my money is coming from, so they have to cancel the transaction and they'll refund me back. I said, and I must try and resend it. I said, all right. I send the money in somebody else's name. They still haven't refunded me my money. My mother need her money. I sent the money again this morning. When I sent the money, Western Union is going to tell. They went to pick up the money. It's the same issue. I call Western Union. Western Union is going to tell. They ask me about a question. First of all, they want to know which spot me I get my money from. How long me I work at the place, me business place, everything. I don't have a problem. Me give them everything, because me say, guess what? Me don't have nothing to hide, so me will make sure say me give them everything, because me need to use Western Union. Me take care of my sick mother, plus me take care of my nephew. Me need to use Bumbleclaw Western Union. So me say, all when them ask me how much draws me change, me go tell them how much me change. Me Pussyclaw tell them. They ask me on the line like 45 Pussyclaw minutes. Then they have the audacity to come tell me, say, they don't know, because them can't verify my information. Which part me I get my little money Bumbleclaw from? Me black from Western Union. Me black from Western Union indefinitely. What the Pussyclaw me do for black from Western Union indefinitely? People who the scam. Number one, the scammer, Western Union. Scammers have moved on from Western Union. They're using other resources to get their money. So Western Union don't need to block hard-working people where they work hard for their money and I send them money to Jamaica to go to them business. No, me live where in a bush. Which part else me if you go get to send my money go give my mother no? Which part else? Which part else me forget if you go send the money go give woman? The woman need her blood pressure medication 2 weeks now. Which part else me go get when Western Union block me? Me never figure out school Monday. Which part else me go set money from? Me go send money from if you go give the woman and the pitney in money? I don't understand where Western Union they go on with. And the people them who they scam not have no issues to go collect their money. Sometimes they say it makes sense you play a fucking game and stop blame and stop. You prefer you play the game instead of you not play the game and you get the blame same way. Me not understand this. Oh, me fi black. Them a go tell me say me send money to somebody a Kingston. Me send 2 money and the same day. Me send the money because one somebody live a Kingston and one somebody live a Montego Bay. However, if that's the case, when me go to send one money go a Kingston and then one money go a and them go up a Kingston for the money, or send it to Montego Bay and then take drive come down for money, what sense that mean? The reason for Western Union, is to get money fast. It's convenient, so it really doesn't matter how much you want to use it. When you want to use it, it is their whole slogan was you get money fast, it's reliable, and it's convenient. And also Western Union they work anymore. I'm sick, I'm tired of it. Western Union just pull me out of my pussy-clad comfort zone. Me sick and tired of Western Union. Me never do nothing, me a Western Union never have no problem yet. 10 years of sending money to Jamaica. All of a sudden you go tell me say, me black indefinitely. Really? Me black indefinitely? Indefinitely? Where must I now get, where? Somebody please advise me. Which part me fi send money through? Cause at Bush me live at Portland, Oregon. The only thing me see down here is MoneyGram and Western Union. Me not see nothing else. Me not see nothing else. You not advise me which part me fi send the money. Me not know which part me fi send the money. My mother down there, she want her money to buy her blood pressure medication. For me blood pressure go up right now. The woman wants her money. Me not understand this. Me really not understand this. Oh, Western Union for black me. What me do for Western Union black me? Me been sending money to me 2 sister them all this time. And my auntie every now and then. Me know them the people that no mix up in a scamming. Me know them the people that no mix up in a scamming. What is wrong with Western Union? Scammers have moved on to other resources. They are not using Western Union. And the ones who are using Western Union does not have any issues collecting their illicit money. So why is it that hard working me? If you have problem to send one liquor $150, $200, go give my family. Western Union, they fuck yourself. You they fuck yourself, Western Union.